What's going on YouTube? So in this video, we're going to be modifying the exhaust on my 2021 Yamaha MT10 for free. We're going to be wiring open the throttle valve just after the cat. And this is a free mod. Anybody can do at home themselves. So let's get into it because these bikes truly do sound amazing. And I've ordered an exhaust for this, but it's about a month away. They're on back order. So I really want a little bit of sound out of this bike while I wait. I just went out for a rip and got some stock sound clips. So now I'm gonna be working on a hot exhaust, but I'm doing it for you guys. So smash the like button and let's hear how this thing sounds when she's opened up. So now that we got the seat popped off, you can see this is what controls the cables running down to the exhaust valve. Let's pop this heat cover off and see what we're working with. So this guy pops out of the seat pretty easy, just this little rubber guy holding it in. And there's two Phillips screws holding this cover on. And I'm just gonna pop these cables out and we're gonna leave this plugged in, so hopefully it doesn't set any codes. This can still move and it'll think it's moving the cables, but they won't be connected. To get these cables off, I'm gonna come down to the bottom and we're gonna loosen off these 10 mils here, and then we can get some slack. The cables off the bottom, we'll take the cables off the top and have them not connected to anything. Now the same on the other side. Both loose on the bottom. Now this valve moves freely. Let's come up to the top. We can loosen these guys off now. So now they're both out of the top. We can slide the bottoms out. So those pull out of the bottom nice and easy. We can tuck those away, put our valve back, and let's see how she sounds. And if you can't tell if that valve's open or not, if you look in here, you can actually see the valve. So there's our valve. She's definitely open. So we just wrap some wire around the spool here and then looped it around the back where it's not going to slip off. And then we'll tuck this guy inside and put our cover back on, obviously with the valve wide open. So this wire is all looped around the spool, around the back piece, and I added a little piece in the middle and cinched it tight. So this valve's solid, it's not moving at all anymore, exactly what you want. Come up here, got this guy in, got the cables just tucked out of the way for now. I'm gonna try it, and if everything works well, I'll take the cables out at a later date. So let's get our covers back on. All right, she's been sitting for about a couple weeks here, nice and cold. Let's get a good cold start. The bike's been sitting overnight. We have the modified valve in the open position. Let's start her up. Nice cold start. He's at operating temp. Bone stock. Warmed up, modified exhaust. So I won't lie to you guys, I'm a little disappointed. I thought it would give a little bit more growl. Let's start her up one last time here, bone cold. Not super impressive over stock, but it is what it is. All right, so just got back from taking it for a rip there. In conclusion, it's not life-changing. You notice it a little bit more down low, I would say from 2,000 to 5,000 RPM, because that's when that valve was normally closed. In the high RPM, that valve would be open anyways, so it sounds pretty similar. But you do notice it a little bit more when you're slowing down, a little bit more burble down low. I still think it's worth it. I was hoping it would be a little bit louder, but you can't be too picky with that cat still in there. It's a good temporary mod until an actual exhaust shows up. I'm still happy that I did it. It does sound pretty good. Hopefully you can notice the little bit deeper tone down low in the sound clips there. The flyby sounds pretty similar. You'll probably notice it more in the second pass there where I just steady throttle below 5,000 RPM. So fairly simple to do, doesn't take that long. Hopefully this video gives you a rough idea of what to expect. Just a little bit of sound down low, nothing extra up top, and if it's worth doing to your bike or not. Or just order that full exhaust or cat delete at least right from the get-go. But cheers guys, we'll catch you in the next one.